What's up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Telisse, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be unboxing my sister's September BoxyCharm base box. This is what the box looks like, and it arrived yesterday. And I did already see most of what's in it because she likes to show me what's in the BoxyCharms. But I am still excited to talk about it with you guys and to tell you what I think about the products. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a $25 a month beauty subscription box, and it usually comes like around the middle of the month, and they do have other levels to their subscription box, but I've never tried any of those, so I can't really tell you about them. I was getting the BoxyCharm base box for about 2 months, and then I canceled my subscription because I felt like I didn't need to keep getting those products. But right around the time that I canceled it, my sister started hers up, so I've been able to continue to get products from BoxyCharm. I just gotta get the things she doesn't want, and she shares the palette and other things with me. So it's really cute, it's really nice, I really appreciate it.
My sister gets me way too lit.
I'm thinking about maybe starting it back up for myself, or we're gonna do premium together, which is probably what we're gonna decide to do. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my Telliscopes, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. And make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. Before we jump into this video, I did want to tell you guys about this head wrap I'm wearing because I'm completely obsessed with it. It's so beautiful. I ordered it from Wrapped by Nels, I think that's her name, on Instagram a few months ago, and like I usually don't wear my hair in a wrap, you guys know that. I usually wear it down for my wash and goes because I'm usually reviewing products and trying to make sure the wash and go makes it to day 7. But I just decided to tie my hair up today. It's looking a little bit crazy and I'm not ready to wash it yet. So I was like, this is the perfect time for me to wear this wrap. I'm going to show you guys what the back looks like, and then I'm going to try to put a picture of the wrap on the screen so you guys can see the full pattern because it's gorgeous. And I'm still learning how to tie wraps, but I'm cool with this. It's staying, it's not really sliding too much, so I feel like I did a decent job. Alright, now back to the actual video. This is what the card looks like, and it says Glam Vibes Only. I have variation number 92, and the first product on the card is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. Kate's signature superfacial exfoliates dull, dry surface skin cells to reveal smoother, radiant, pore-perfected skin in just 2 minutes. By clearing away dead skin cells, this holy grail product preps skin to better absorb the rest of your regimen, making every product and ingredient that follows more effective. It says its original price is $85. This is what the packaging looks like, and I was really hoping that my sister would get this in her box. I saw that it was like one of 2 options that you could get in the box this month. I heard really good things about this product from a new YouTube friend, Vamped Vanity. I'm going to link her channel down below in the description. You guys should definitely check her out and subscribe. She was raving about this product, so I was really excited to try it. And then I checked the ingredients for this product, and it does have alcohol denatured right in the center. So I was really hesitant to try it as soon as I saw that. I think I'm still going to give this a try. I'm going to use it for about 2 weeks. I'll probably use it with you guys just to see how I feel about it and if I'm going to continue to use it. I don't use anything with alcohol denatured in it on my skin, so I'm a little bit weary, but this has thousands of great reviews on Sephora and Ulta, so I do want to give it a try. And it is $85. I want to see why this is $85. And the main ingredient is lactic acid, which you guys know I really like. So, and it also has salicylic acid in it. So I feel like this might be great for my acne. Hopefully that alcohol denatured doesn't hurt my skin or hurt my acne. I'm really hoping that I like this, especially for that crazy price. This is what the actual product looks like, and this is 2 fluid ounces for $85. I did hear from Vamped Vanity that you only have to use a little bit, so this should last a long time if I continue to use it. The next product on the card is the Hip Dot Zion Eyeshadow Palette. It says, conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural, sweeping Utah canyons, take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. And the original price is $30. This is the only product that I didn't see in the box, so I'm excited to see what these shades look like. Alright, this is the packaging. It says Hip Dot right on the front. I don't know if it's Hypto. Is the T silent? I don't know. But this is such a pretty palette. It does come with a mirror, so I'm going to hide that so I don't blind you guys. But look at these super pretty shades. And it comes with a gorgeous shimmer. Or a couple gorgeous shimmers. I just noticed that one at the top because it is so vibrant. I will definitely be doing a look with this palette very soon, so stay tuned for that. The next product on the card is the Trestique Summer Glow Plus Go Set. A must-have mini set to get your perfect summer glow in petite mini crayons. This mini set features the best-selling shades of the highlighter stick, blush stick, brow pencil, and shadow crayon. The ultimate on-the-go set for your summer activities. No, summer adventures. And the original price is $42. This is what the packaging looks like. And these, I guess, are what the crayons look like. They look cute. The mini highlight stick says it's in the color Maldives Luminescent, and it highlights with a smooth, silky feel and leaves a luminescent veil of subtle shimmer. Use all over eyes, cheeks, or face. The mini blush stick comes in Moroccan Rose, and it says that it glides on with a lightweight, silky feel and adds a pop of natural, buildable, rosy color. And it says use on cheeks. The mini eyeshadow crayon is in the color Tahitian Shimmer. This ultra blendable and super creamy texture leaves lids glistening with the perfect shimmering taupe shape. I cannot read this right now. Glistening with the perfect shimmering taupe shade. Use on eyes. And the mini brow pencil is in the color Americano, and it says that it creates naturally full, beautiful brows using the triangular shaped tip to accent and define. Use on brows. And when you open the package, it actually looks like a crayon box. That's the way they got them sitting in there. So I think that is really cute. This is what the highlight stick looks like, and I thought that this top was the actual highlighter, but it's not. It's just supposed to look like a crayon, and then you take off the top, and this is what the highlighter stick looks like. This is the mini blush stick. I don't really wear blush, so I don't know if this color is going to be good for me. I am going to really try to work in that highlighter though, because it was really pretty. This is the mini shadow crayon. It's a very pretty, like, kind of bronzy color. And last but not least is, of course, the mini brow pencil. Oh, and this is the triangle tip they were talking about. It's not really focusing, but I think you guys can see that it's a triangle. I don't really do much with my brows. I'm sure you guys already know that, but I don't have a problem giving this a try if my sister doesn't want it. I'm not sure if this would be the right color for me either. It looks kind of gray, but I don't know anything about brow products, so this could work. Next on the card is the Mud Masky Blue Light Protection Mask. It says it blocks high energy visible light, HEV light, from digital devices like smartphones and laptops up to 94%. It's made especially for people that spend a lot of time behind a computer screen. It prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light, and the original price is $54, so that's pretty expensive. I've never heard of HEV light or needing a mask to protect from that, but I am on my phone 24/7, so maybe that is something that I need. I don't know. I do know that I don't really need it. If it's $54, I'm gonna have to find it for like 10 if I really need it.
Well, really, I'm cheap as hell.
All right, this is what the product looks like. And it comes in a pretty decently sized tube. This tube is 2 fluid ounces, and on the back of the product, the instructions say wash your hands and face, and then apply a thin layer to your face and leave the face mask on during the day. I am considering giving this a shot, but it definitely can't be something that I get attached to since it's $54. I don't think my sister is going to try this out. She didn't seem very interested in this when she was looking through the box. She honestly said this was more of a box for me and not for her. She wasn't really interested in anything besides the palette. And the next product in the box is a product that seems like it's the most geared towards me, and it's the SF Glow Glam in Paradise Cannabis Sativa 3-piece mask set. It says, get into a state of bliss with cannabis. Meet Glam in Paradise Cannabis Sativa, your new glam and chill skincare routine. These gold foil leopard pattern sheet masks are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil and designed to deliver total skin satisfaction and Insta-worthy selfies. And the original price is $18. Alright, this is what the packaging looks like. And as you guys know, I haven't done a Massnificent video in a while, so this is really inspiring me to get back into my Massnificent series. So you will be seeing me trying these on the channel very soon. This set includes a face mask, an eye mask, and a lip mask. So I'm ready to do a 3-in-1 Massnificent video, something I've never done before. And on the front of the package, it does say that these masks are all vegan, so that makes me even more excited to try them out. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this BoxyCharm unboxing video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.